One of the most important initiatives this partnership supports is the Revolving Funds Program of the Association of Mom Christian Women for Development. This program gives women access to income-earning opportunities by providing a small amount of capital to start a project. The most popular and most profitable project is raising cattle. Women often double their investment and use extra profits to put food on the table and send their kids to school. Here's how it works. A woman receives a grant to purchase a cow or bull. She receives training and ongoing support from a livestock expert to ensure her cow stays healthy. Female cows are raised to produce milk and baby calves, while bulls are fattened up to sell at market for a handsome profit. Cow manure and urine make excellent fertilizer. A family can use it for their vegetable garden or sell to their neighbors for extra income. Many women also receive a subsidy to build or improve their cattle shelter, which protects livestock from extreme weather conditions caused by climate change. Women are responsible for feeding their cattle and providing any needed vitamins or medicines. Once a sizable profit is made, the initial grant is paid back in full and given to the next woman. A cow or bull costs $300. Shares are available, so the gifts of any amount are appreciated. You can make a gift online at ncpguatemala.com/cattle or scan this QR code. Thank you for supporting our sisters and brothers in Guatemala.